Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of object oriented programming with me Amrit right on YouTube. We saw our top of page event. Using that we can give a heading directly to our ALV report. Now we will move on and we will see some more features of our normal ALV, which is also known as interactive ALV report. Interactive ALV report. ALV report. Interactive ALV report, right? So let's first understand the situation here. Interactive ALV report. That is, we can also interact with the output of the ALV. We can interact with the output of the ALV, and we can also get, or should I say, similar to classical report, we can also get here a secondary list out of the basic list, using the ALV. Yes, we can definitely get that part. So for this, SAP has given us one important parameter, which is your I callback user command. This is a parameter in your function module of ALV, which we can use to get the secondary list, I callback user command, guys. I callback user command. Yes, we can use it. So I will take here one requirement again. We have displayed something in the previous session. What we have displayed? We have displayed VBAK. So let's say I want item data. See the sales item data from VBAP, right? I want to see the sales item data from VBAP. Okay. So I will go back to my SAP system and I will try to implement it. Let's check that part. I will go to SE38. You see, we have our ALV top of page. Let me just open it. We have created here a program for sales header. I will declare the sales item also this time. So types begin of TY VBAP, and I will use the sales document column here. Veblen type Veblen VA, Posner type Posner VA, which is the data element of item number, and material number type material number. So and of TY underscore VBAP. Okay. We will create our internal table for it. So LT VBAP type table of TY underscore VBAP. Yes, we will declare it. For the second list, we will need to create a ALV structure also. So field catalog will be needed. So I will create another field catalog for the second one. I will not use the same one because that will be a secondary list. So I'll LT field cat 2, right? Now let's get back to our ALV. If you check the function module here, you will find out that we have got this I callback user command, and this is also expecting a subroutine here. We will have to create a subroutine. So what I will do, I will copy this name and I will go inside it to find out the subroutine name. So I will go inside it. Yes. I will click on this filter button and I will paste the name and press enter. See, you will get this reuse ALV list display function module. Double click, go inside it, click on this filter button and paste it. Then you will get this function module. Okay, and you can see it has been implemented. Something has been written here. So user command and user underscore command has been written. So for this there must be a subroutine implemented inside this program. I will go below and I will check it. So I will check it, Control F, and I will search for it. I will search for it. Yeah, see, I got a subroutine here. Form user command like rucom, like sciucom, rs cell field type slash cell field. Yes, we saw that. So I will copy its name and I will go back to my program now. I will go back to my program here and I will pass a name of my subroutine. So let's say I will name it secondary list. This is something I am naming. Okay. I will go below and I will create this subroutine here. So form and form. Okay. Now I will put here a breakpoint. So this name we will have to change it with the secondary list. Whatever name we have given, the name must be same, secondary list. Check it. I will activate. I will execute. I will re-execute. I will double click here. Yes, breakpoint is hitting. So now I just require to find out my primary key of sales document number. So I will double click on this RS sale field. I see this is a work area. I will go inside this work area and what I can see here, there is a value column. There is a value column which is receiving my primary key value of sales document number. So once I have that primary key, I can write the logic of my item table, right? So a select query, Veblen, Posner, material number from VBAP into table LT VBAP, where the sales document number is equal to this RS cell field and its value column. I will check if LT VBAP is not initial. I will display my secondary list. So and if I will create the field catalog. So I will create the field catalog here. ls field cat 2, field name Veblen, right? ls field cat 2, cell text L, sales document number, append ls field cat to lt field cat and clear the work area. Okay. So this is the very first one. Second one will be your item number. So item number, item number, and the third one will be material number. So material number. Okay. Finally, I will call my function module. So call function the grid display, reuse ALV grid display. I will call it. I will pass my LTVBAP here. Okay. And the exporting will be there where I will pass my field cat. So I will pass here LT field cat 2. Okay. LT field cat 2. So check for the syntax, activate, and let's go and check it. Execute, execute, double click. See, we are getting a secondary list, right? We are getting a secondary list. We are getting a secondary list, right? We are getting a secondary list. Clear? Easy for the implementation. Creation of a subroutine in the iCallback user command. I went inside the function module to find out the syntax which I am receiving. I just need the primary key. When I have the primary key, I can write the logic, create the field catalog and get the secondary list, right? So this is all about this video, how we can go for interactive ALV report using normal ALV. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share the video.